What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm December DeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors, man. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe, man. Help us get to that 26,000 subscriber mark if y'all are rocking with me, man. Appreciate y'all. Now let's get straight into the Shiba Inu article. Shiba Inu jumps 25% as token gets listed on top Middle East crypto exchange. So even though the markets are down overall, what we've been seeing, for 2022, but we still have positive news coming in. Now, it won't seem like this is the best of news right now, but once things begin to turn around and Shiba Inu is more accessible to the masses, this can be a very good sign by allowing people, because you got to remember how many people are in the Middle East, and then allowing them easier access to be able to gain Shiba Inu. That just increases the army. So let's get straight into this article. Another leading global exchange adds support for Shiba Inu trading after recent Robinhood listing. After 2 months of consideration, the leading crypto trading venue in the Middle East, Rain platform, has decided to finally kick off Shiba Inu trading, expanding the meme token's adoption and trading volume. Meanwhile, in the past 24 hours, Shiba Inu has registered a rise by 25%. Shiba is listed by Rain. Rain is based in, I'm not sure how to say this, but Bahrain. In 2019, it was the first crypto trading platform in the Middle East to be fully licensed after receiving approval from the Central Bank of Bahrain. In March, the official Twitter account of Rain asked the community if the platform should list the second largest meme token. So this is good on the behalf of this exchange, by reaching out to their community members and showing them that they value their input. Now you can see that they took, it says, up to 2 months to make this decision. And I feel like, they possibly couldn't have waited until a better time, because now they're allowing the people that have access to their exchange to be able to buy Shiba Inu at some of the lowest prices, instead of, like some exchanges listing assets when they're at their height of popularity and more expensive. Their new retail investors come in through that exchange and end up buying the top, and then prices fall from there. So good job on the on behalf of the Rain team for that move right there. Shout out to the new Shiba Army members. But also, now, in a recent tweet, the company announced that it had finally added support for Shiba. Earlier this year, Shiba Inu was also listed on several other platforms, including Perex Decentralized Exchange and Robinhood Trading app. Shiba token is now on Rain. You asked and we listened. Shiba is now available for trading. So here's that tweet right there. Y'all can go tap in with them if y'all want to follow them. Now, also, we got some other news in right here. Good sign, but it's still a sign that there's faith in Shiba, and I'll tell you why. So there's a whale that just bought 455 billion Shiba. He sells at a profit. Now, Whale Stats crypto tracking service that tracks and shares data on the largest wallets, Ethereum, Polygon, BNB, and other chains, has tweeted that another eye-popping amount of Shiba Inu has been bought by a major whale on the ETH chain. So the owner of Blue Whale 0073 wallet has acquired a whopping 455 billion Shiba tokens. The large amount of K9 crypto cost him $4.9 million. That's almost $5 million. Now look what happened here. So here's that tweet right there. But by now, however, the whale has sold the majority of its Shiba after the token's price staged a 25% rise, going from the 10 level to the 13 level on the Binance exchange. So that's why I try to tell y'all, it's always smart to secure some profit, because the big players, smart money, the big whales, institutional money, they're gonna take profit. They're not gonna sit there and just wish and hope. When they get a 25, when they make $1 million, almost let's do the math on that real quick. Let's just say round that to $5 million. You know what, we'll leave it at 4.9 million times 0.25. So that's $1.2 million that they made overnight. Of course they're gonna take that off the table, y'all. Of course they are. Now, that could signify that we found a bottom where he was willing to risk that amount of money, almost $5 million at that 10 level. That shows us we got major support right there. Now that he did this, we could expect to see other whales potentially do this if prices do fall back to that level, which shows us we have strong support in that range. Now, let's take a look at the overall market in 1 second, but that was a nice play right there. 1.2 million in 1 day, you can't blame him. But the amount of Shiba this whale has left is tiny now, and along with other small tokens, Unihex and etc., comprises of 18,000, merely a 0.25% of its portfolio. Shiba Inu totaled 90% of the incoming tokens and then 82% of the outgoing tokens. The major holdings of this whale at the moment are USDC, the largest asset owned by him, Matic, and Link. So good play. Hopefully y'all are out there, making some money. If y'all bought that dip, we bought at the 11, right around that 11 level. So if y'all bought right there, we are still up from that point. Congratulations. Not too much, but 15%. We can't, that's for one day. You can't beat that. Stocks, in the stock market, they love returns like that, to get a 15% return on something in one day. But let's see what else we got here. Bitcoin back at 30, Ethereum at that $2,000 level still. BNB 296, fighting to break 300. I seen it do it earlier today and drop back down. Cardano over 50 cent at 54.91 now. Sheeb at that 12.9 level, wants to push that 13 level. It wants to, up 15% on the day. Polkadot up 22% on the day. Doge up 9.8% on the day. So things looking a lot better today. Of course, we're down still a lot overall, but this is the market. Though you got to think the Fed Chairman Jerome Powell announced already that he plans to raise interest rates 50 basis points over the next 2 meetings. So that is to basically decrease inflation or fight or help curb inflation. But what that does is make borrowing more expensive. So we see people take out less loans. We see people move money from riskier assets into more stable ones. And, it can be like this for a little while until we see, some more news that the market prices in. And then, let's say if he says they're actually going to raise rates at that time, in June and July, and he actually says it'll be less than 50 basis points, then that can be bullish, and that can, push the market back up a level or two. So that's what I'm hoping. Reach out to me if you're interested in learning to trade, to get my technical analysis course or my stock options trading course. I got a couple videos from the last few days. I've been showing y'all how to trade options with small contracts. A lot of people think you have to buy $1,000 contracts in order to make money trading options. You don't. I got some examples on the channel. Go back, watch those last couple videos. Reach out to me via email, decemberdemarco@gmail.com, if you're interested in learning and ready to take your investing to the next level. And also, I got my technical analysis course that will help you interpret the data on the chart and learn how to read the candlesticks, as well as use tools and indicators. So that's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.